I'm standing in some manicured gardens, about 2 hectares, 5 acres, which in of itself in the southwest of France is not remarkable. What is remarkable is that I'm only 4 kilometers, as the crow flies, to the center of Bordeaux, the Opera House. My name is Baynes.Maxwell-Baynes, Christie's International Real Estate, and I'm looking forward to showing you around this remarkable domain. The estate is located down a quiet cul-de-sac. Anywhere else this close to Bordeaux would be full-on suburbia, but not here. This little garden is your arrival experience. Cypress trees, lavenders, and this is the Italian garden. The current owner has planted Mediterranean plants throughout the estate, which are, of course, very helpful in a drier climate. Just walking out of the summer kitchen to the terrace overlooking the pool. Just imagine breakfast here, overlooking your garden in the quiet of this beautiful environment. It's another one of those outdoor rooms, under the wisteria, in the shade. What a way to start your day. One of the things that's particularly impressive about this building is the attention to detail. The more time you spend here, the more you fall in love with it. It's the details that catch you. Like, for example, this Swiss oven. The owner was meticulous in tracking down the right materials from all over Europe, potentially actually all over the world. So we have light switches that are from Belgium. We have, like I said, the Swiss oven. We've got German hot plates. Everything has been researched and thought through to find the very finest materials and the very finest appliances. The main residence is 600 square meters, which is just a little over 6,000 square feet. It's a 6-bed residence, very flexible space. We'll talk more about it when I can show you in a few moments. But it is also formal and informal. This is the formal part of the property. High ceilings, French oak floors, beautiful stone fireplace, and the heart of the residence. Just imagine you're entertaining in this space. This is where you'd have your glass of Bordeaux red. This is the less formal part of the residence. It's the great room, or the family room. Italian kitchen. In fact, both of the kitchens are Italian kitchens, the summer kitchen and this, the main kitchen. Got to show you this. I just love this stuff. Look, and then look at this. See how that door closes? I love those little things. Little details like that. This house is full of them. It's so worth seeing how this all fits together because the space is very flexible. Take a look at the floor plan, because what you'll see is that this part of the house, whilst it is fully integrated into the other part of the house, in other words, it feels like one house, it can be separated. You could have 2 separate residences here. 2 separate residences with 3 beds each, giving you a lot of flexibility in how you use the spaces. Remember, everything is fully renovated. Here in the family room, you've got beautiful old beams. You've got space, light, French oak floors. They're wide plank oak floors, which is particularly attractive. The informal part of the space, the family room, even has a beautiful fire. It's a warm day today, but I put it on just so that you can see that there's a fireplace there. Attention to detail, we've talked about that, but look at the quality of these finishes. And even the feature beams. I'm probably slightly taller than average, I'm 6'2", and you can see that it puts those beams at probably just under 2 meters. But what a beautiful feature to have. It's so nice throughout this less formal part of the building that there are features, old stone, wood, oak floors throughout the spaces. It's a principal bathroom and principal bedroom. Remember, this is very flexible space, so we're in one side of the property where we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is one of the bathrooms, and the other one is shared with the other 2 bedrooms. Got to just point this out to you because, again, attention to detail here. These are Nico wall furniture appliances. Best of the best. They've really chosen some fantastic stuff here. The principal bedroom is accessed by these stairs, which goes down to the family room. And in fact, beneath us on this side, there's a 2-car garage with electric charging. There's 2 electric chargers in there. And of course, this corridor serves the other 2 bedrooms that we were talking about earlier. Rising up the stone staircase on the 19th century side of the residence, I'm now in the bedroom area, 3 beds. All of them have their own ensuite bathrooms. If it were my choice, this would be the principal bedroom. Beautiful ensuite bathroom, incredible airy space with the double aspect windows. But this view, the view is spectacular. You almost feel like you can touch the city, as we said before. And there in the distance is the Place de la Bourse. The environment around the pool is truly magical. The gorgeous lavenders around us. But it's not just the magic of daytime enjoying the pool. The evening is incredible and the night better still. In the evening you get to see the sunset as it drops west. We're looking west here as it drops behind the city. And then the garden environment comes alive with the lighting systems, the pool and surrounding. And then you look down into the city and see the whole city illuminated with all its lights and activities going on. It is incredible. I've brought you out to this little lane, which is the arrival experience of this beautiful property. In fact, as you drive down this little lane, this cul-de-sac, you've got the view that we've been talking about right in front of you. At Maxwell-Baynes, Christie's International Real Estate, we specialize in extraordinary residences. And this is an extraordinary residence. It's probably one of the finest I've ever seen. This close to border, having the rural tranquility and the proximity to the city and all of its amenities, a remarkable blend of all the things that you want. If you'd like to know more about this property or organize a visit, please contact me, Michael Baynes, or my associate Valeria Plaisance. You can reach us at michael@maxwellbaynes.com or valeria@maxwellbaynes.com. Please give us a call.